In today's world, calculus became one of the most important branches of mathematics with the application in science, engineering, and economics. It is the mathematical studies of how things change and includes differential calculus, rate of change using slope as a function, and integral calculus. Besides that, it is used to determine quantities such as areas and volume under a changing condition. So who invented the wonderful tool? There will be two main persons that is responsible for calculus, Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. So let's talk a little bit about Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Isaac Newton was born in 1643 and he passed away in 1727. He was the famous physicist and mathematician, and he was famous for his three basic laws of gravity. Isaac was the one who developed theories on white light, light particles, and calculus. In his 84 years, he discovered gravity and the three laws of motion, which include the law of inertia, F equals to ma, and he quote, "For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction." Isaac formulated a modern series of the origin of colors of visible spectrum and also developed an empirical law of cooling. He then discovered the binomial theorem, with more that helped discover the invention of calculus. Next, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Leibniz was the one who developed the binary system that based on all modern electronics. He came out with his own theory, which is called the monadology. Leibniz invented modern form of logic, anticipated the discovery of Einstein with his metaphysical theory of dynamism, and theorized about an early computer to solve algebraic expression. He also explored the field topology and of course invented calculus. Did calculus only start with Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz? Of course it didn't. So let us go back in time and take a look at the other contributors. 1700 BC. The capital city Babylon, which is the ancient Mesopotamian state containing our modern Iraq, Syria, and Egypt. They had an early intuition which they used infinity as a concept. They were able to determine square root of a rational number to any number of decimal place. The contributing factors, sexagesimal number system, has a base of 60. That means they represent all real numbers using 60 different symbols. The Babylonians mathematicians record their research and observation on clay tablet called cuneiforms. They were able to define other numbers with potentially infinite precision, such as the length of year, or even represent the value of pi. In 300 BC, the Babylonians astronomers thought everything that happened in this world, from changes of weather to rise and fall of tides, were associated with the motion of planets. So they used geometry to study it, specifically Jupiter, since their god Marduk was associated with Jupiter. By recording velocity with instantaneous times, they can determine how far the planet travels in an interval of time. This is similar to finding the area under the curve.